fun.
See, isn't this cool? This is more like art than taking pictures, right?
Yeah, better than taking pictures.
Looks like a pretty reef.
All right.
Yeah, but we are making a lion.
Okay, we got a nose and a smile and 2 eyes.
Looks like a lion.
We need somebody to
is a
block that
lion.
sunspot over there. Mama, can you stand over there?
Oh,
Block the
we
sun.
need eels.
Okay, let me get a picture like this first. All right.
Dad, can you look at my Rudolph?
Look at that. That's cool, man.
Dad, look at my Rudolph.
I like it.